What's up, boys? This is the new pick for the channel, 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer. We're gonna be restoring this thing and bringing it back to life. Today we have headlights to do. As you can see, pretty clouded. Can't really see around. We're gonna bring these back to life. We're gonna use this kit. It's a Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit to bring these back. Stay tuned. The first step for restoring the headlights is to wash them. All right, we're gonna proceed to dry the headlight. Now with the kit, you get gloves, sanding pads, and a sanding block. We're gonna put on the gloves before we use the oxidation pads. Step 1. We're gonna be demonstrating on one headlight, and by that, you should be able to do the other one. All right, so now we rinse thoroughly. So now we gotta sand it in non-circular motions, and we're gonna sand it until the whole headlight is cloudy. Watch out for your paint, that you do not scratch your paint. Make sure it's wet throughout. You're gonna feel once it's sanded through, it's gonna be smooth. As opposed to down here where still is not sanded through. If you wanna be extra careful, you could tape it off. I don't feel the need to for this occasion. Just be extra careful around the edges. And on rough spots like this, remember, non-circular, side to side or up and down. For this part, I'm gonna go by hand so I don't risk scratching the paint. Make sure you're rinsing your sandpaper. Okay, now we're gonna repeat the steps, but with the 3000 grit. This is gonna smooth out some of the deep scratches we made with the 2000 grit. Alright, so after you sand it, we're gonna rinse it and dry it. Alright, so we're finally on the last step. We're on the ceramic clear coating step. We have washed the headlight, we have dried it, and now we're ready to apply the clear coat. You're gonna apply this overlapping 50-50 over your last line. Make sure to have a rag by your side in case any of it gets on the paint. Wipe it off immediately. Alright guys, this is after the clear coat. The final product. Crystal clear. I'll show tomorrow in the sun. These are the headlights in the sunlight. Look how clear. Clear. Just with them on. Alright guys, if you like the video, make sure to subscribe and like. Until the next one.